Dear students, now we are going to discuss the most important rule related to passive voice. As we discussed earlier that we always use preposition by in passive voice. But at the place of by we can use another preposition which are fixed with that word. That's why by following those rules we will discuss this rule that we can use preposition other than by. Clear? Now try to understand the sense of the sentence. Clear? After that we will use preposition at the place of by. All the rule will remain the same, only preposition will be changed. Now take first object change into subject and then subject into an object. Clear? The tumbler contains water. Now you can see here water is object. Now change it. Water, clear, contains present indefinite. Clear? Contains. Water is uncountable noun. That's why we'll take preposition singular verb. Water is contained. Contained. For example, try to, only for instance, clear? Try to write preposition by. For example, water is contained by the tumbler. Now I am saying that we have to replace by, but why? What is the reason behind it? For example, I am giving you a live example. This is tumbler and in this tumbler there is water. Now the tumbler contains water. Now you can see, you can understand the position of water. Now water is inside the tumbler. That's why not by the tumbler, inside the tumbler. Clear? That's why we have to replace the preposition by. Now what the situation is saying? The water is, the situation is inside the tumbler. That's why at the place of by we will write here in. Water is contained in the tumbler. Understand? That's why, because preposition always show the position of noun and pronoun. According to that we have to use preposition like these sentences. Clear? In another sentence, his behavior surprised me. Object change into subject. I surprised past indefinite. I was surprised at his behavior. At his behavior, not by his behavior. Clear? You have to understand the uses of these prepositions. Surprised at, surprised with. At with his behavior, not with the person. Clear? We will discuss in detail in the topic of preposition also. Clear? Last one is his remarks pleased me. Me will change into I. Pleased past indefinite. Was pleased with his remarks. Clear? I was pleased with his remarks. Clear? You have to read the sentence again and again and try to understand the position of the noun and pronoun. Clear? Thank you.